Hi everyone. Today we are going to do some plank exercises which is highly beneficial for our core muscles, shoulder muscles and our back muscle. These plank exercises are highly beneficial to develop the core strength and the shoulder strength. Let us do this set of exercises. So we are going to start with basic plank. For basic plank, lie down, place your both hands besides your shoulder and at the same time place your leg parallel. Slowly raise your upper body the way we are doing a push-up, and make sure that you are not tucking your head in or raising your head up than a limit. You need to maintain the body in a straight line. This is called basic plank. Next we are going to do forearm plank or elbow plank. The procedures are almost same. Lie down on your belly, place your elbows besides your chest. You can keep your palm this way or this way. This depends upon your comfortable. Raise your upper body and make sure that the shoulder is of 90 degrees. Keep your body straight and look down. The next variety of plank is side plank. So place your left elbow parallel to your shoulder and keep your leg straight and keep your right leg over your left leg. Then push your upper body up. Try to maintain this line. Keep your head straight. If you want to take the balance, you can raise your hand, or else you can keep your hand on the shoulder, hip, or you can leave your hand free. And make sure that your hip is not hanging at the side. You are maintaining the line. This is one side. And the same thing, we'll be doing it other side. The procedures will remain same, only we are changing the side. Now we are going to add some movements in planking exercises. This is called shoulder taps. The initial position will remain same as the basic plank. Now you are going to tap the opposite shoulders. With your right hand, you will be tapping your left shoulder and vice versa. So the last one for today is a combination of basic plank and elbow plank. We'll start with elbow plank, then we will convert it to basic plank. Again we'll move back to elbow plank, convert it to. So we are going to increase speed little bit. Hope these exercises are clear to you all. Try practicing these core strength exercises at home. Thank you all. See you next time. Take care. Bye.